Ontario has introduced tougher impaired driving penalties, and the Thunder Bay Police say the changes are aimed at reducing collisions and keeping young drivers safe. The province has updated its rules around what's known as the warning range. That's when a driver's blood alcohol concentration is above 0 for novice, young, or commercial drivers, or between 50 and 80 milligrams of alcohol per 100 milliliters of blood.
License suspensions have increased from 3 days to 7 days for a first-time offense for novice, young, or commercial drivers, and have increased to 14 days for second offenses.
Drivers caught in that range will also face a mandatory remedial education program before getting their license back. Police say the financial consequences alone are steep.
The initial costs are approximately $1,000 just to have your license reinstated, as well as taking those education components. There's also the insurance factor, where with one of those 7-day suspensions, you're looking to have your insurance either double or triple from what you're paying in that year.
Thunder Bay Police hope the harsher penalties will deter impaired driving, something they say continues to have serious impacts on the community.
Impaired driving affects everyone, not only from your insurance costs and the cost of hospital bills, but it affects people personally when they're affected by a collision. A number of impaired drivers cause serious injury or fatal collisions, and that's our message. We want to prevent those collisions from happening. We want people to make the smart choice and not consume alcohol before driving.
The province has also extended its look-back period, the window used to review previous suspensions, from 5 years to 10. Police say it's part of a stronger stance against impaired driving on Ontario roads. The new rules are now in effect across the province. Police are urging drivers, especially young people, to plan ahead and choose a safe ride home.